Hi, partners and tutor. In this opportunity, I'm gonna show you my recording of task 7. Fears reading. Emotions are states or feelings that often intense, last for only short time and are clearly direct, directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always trying to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Second point, minimal pairs. Cat, pat, white, wise, right, road. Kite, night, take, steak, coat, coat, pin, bin, till, peel, teach, peach, they, pay, dig, pig, deal, peel, talk, book, date, bait, talk, call, tool, cool, tape, cape, toad, coat, tongue, gone, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, wool, tag, gag, table, gable, team, fin, tail, fail, tongue, fun, tick, big. Intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. He loved it. It stopped. Statements with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. She wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses. Alice wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions. Following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interested, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General questions, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does you read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, falling or rising intonations. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands, falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request, rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences, falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses: I can, she's, he will, he should, he can't, he didn't. Finally, thank you for your attention.